Hi, this showcase will show the installation process of an OpenStack cluster and the joining process to the UC8 Federation by the infrastructure toolbox, also named ITbox. The target stakeholders are infrastructure owners and operators. ITbox aims to support users to manage and organize a large variety of infrastructures, deployment models, and services. Using the ITbox, a user can install the operating system. UC8 project is supported Ubuntu 12.04, the hypervisor and the cloud management software on every server according to its assigned role. The user can choose among different fireware generic enablers, DCRM, context broker, OpenStack data collector, and GSI adapter, and configure them using a friendly user interface. From the latest versions, the user can install a Nagios monitoring server. As a consequence, the main benefit is to organize and to manage a lot of configuration options, combining OpenStack modules and generic enablers among them properly. In addition, a user interface makes these operations more simple. For all that, ITbox is preferable to a customized installation script. Now we see an overview of an OpenStack cluster installation by ITbox. The first step is to install the infrastructure toolbox on a management server, virtual or bare metal server. Supposing to have a set of empty bare metal servers connected to ITbox servers properly, the user can provision on bare metal servers via PXE, operating system, hypervisor, and cloud software. The next steps are to choose a deployment model, simple cluster or high availability, and assign a role to each server, for example controller, compute, monitoring, sender, and so on. Finally, to install all required software based on server role and report deployment results to the federator. This picture shows the showcase reference architecture. We will use 3 VMs. On the VM1 is installed the ITbox. Its user interface will be reachable at the default URL. In the picture, ATH0 blue line, whereas the green line stands for the ITbox network. On the VM2, ITbox will install controller services: Horizon, Keystone, Glance, Neutron, Nova API, Nova Schedule, MySQL, and the Cloud DCRM. On the VM number 3, ITbox will install compute services: Nova Compute, Neutron Agent, and Cinder. The picture number 1 shows the ITbox user interface. Now we can create a new environment, selecting the operating system, deployment model, hypervisor, DCRM, the network plugin, and so on. And the picture number 3 is shown how to assign a role to each available nodes. And finally, we can apply changes and start the installation. The first picture shows the state of installation, and the second, the result, an OpenStack environment ready to use within the selected generic enablers previously installed. This showcase will be used to demonstrate how to add a new node to the UC8 Federation in an easy way. The installation process is supported by Infrastructure Toolbox, which provides a ready-to-use server starting from a bare metal server, and that supports the infrastructure owners in this complex task.